Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Toyota 4Runner key fob battery. This simple process can be done at home in just a few minutes. First, you will need a new CR2032 coin cell battery, which is a common 3-volt battery. You will also need a small flathead screwdriver or a coin to help open the fob. Make sure you have a clean... Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot, usually on the side where the emergency key is stored. Insert your small flathead screwdriver or a coin into this slot. With a gentle twisting motion, carefully pry apart the two halves of the key fob. It should separate with a slight click, revealing the internal components and the battery. Effective revision and mock tests are your next steps. Schedule regular revision sessions for all topics you have covered. This helps solidify your knowledge and recall. Crucially, take full-length mock tests frequently, simulating the actual exam conditions. After each test, spend at least 2 hours analyzing your performance. Identify your weak areas and work on improving your speed and accuracy for the final examination. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the fob, making sure they fit together perfectly. Gently press them together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely closed. Once reassembled, head to your vehicle and test all the key fob's functions, like locking and unlocking the doors, to ensure everything is working correctly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.